up, my G? People keep asking about you, bruh. Bro, what happened to the dog? Nothing. I just don't have a dog channel. I have a car channel. Want a treat? Sit. Good boy. Bad boy, though. Look what you fucking did to the couch. Look. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Boy loves these things right here. This is the first treat I ever gave him. Later. Let's see if the wolf wants one. What's up, my G? Let's take. This fool be acting bougie, like he's too good for treats and shit. Boy, if you don't take this shit. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy, Fresh Zabatos, coming at you live from the M340. And yo, if anybody wants this exhaust for the S2K, let me know. I believe it's a Gretty muffler. It just has like a hole somewhere over here that needs to be like welded, but the muffler is good. I don't know, give me like 150 bucks for it or some shit like that. Peep, check what happened to the 340. Nothing too bad. I don't think you guys can really see it in the lighting right here, but my fender's all burned right here. So what happened was I went 4 deep to LA and yeah, no bueno, my guy. Shredded the whole tire down. I turned these motherfuckers into ling-longs. I got the no names on this bitch. Can't even see what it was. Still hot, man. It's still hot. So if you guys are wondering why I haven't really been driving the S15 a lot, the Z a lot, it's just hot, bro. Like, you guys see the title, man. You kind of already see what's going down. I am gonna be linking up with my boy Yaz and his super clean, super fast C0706. It was stock for a little bit, and then he just gradually like started just doing stuff to it and just doing stuff to it and then breaking shit and then just doing more shit to it. All I know is the thing has a built trans on it, and it's definitely making over like 850, 900, like in that range. Hey, what's up, my G? You look a little old, bro. You got some years on you. My boy's like 10,000 dog years. You guys might maybe remember his old car. It was a super fast STI. This was way back in the day. It was a Hawkeye. We always used to go back and forth with the Z. I think right before he sold it, the STI was making like 950 or close to 1,000. For the OG people, a lot of you guys might remember his STI. He had that, and he just, you know, had a lot of issues with it, so he just gave up on that, ended up selling it, and I think he bought a 10-speed 5.0, and he didn't do anything crazy to that. I think he just did like bolt-ons and a tune, and you know, my boy just wanted more power. You know, once you get high horsepower, bro, you're never gonna go back. It's like if you build a car and you reach 700, you're not gonna get another car and then be satisfied with like 450 or like 500. Like, you're gonna want to go to 700 again or more. So he ended up getting the C0706 that he currently has now. And yeah, I don't know exactly everything that's done to it. For sure, 100%, I know it has to make over 800. So should be a fun little ride along. I haven't been in a fast vet since my ZR1. I've been trying to find time to do this more often. Like, I know so many people with like dope ass cars. It's just trying to connect with them at the right time, the right place, you know what I'm saying? And like doing a review on their car, it's just hard. We're gonna get some sound clips of the beast, maybe a few flybys, you know, some ride along footage, and you know, just have a good old time. Oh man, the M34 looking kind of snacky. Yeah, as you guys can see, what happened to the fender, that bitch got burned. Crispy. She's still clean though. The life of a YouTuber. I always felt so damn weird, like just standing random places with my camera out. Like, people probably think like, the fuck is this guy from Dubai or something? Oh, tourist head ass. I'd be out here hella looking like a foreigner, bro. Just filming everything. You know how foreigners be just filming everything? Sheesh. Did my boy just open the valve? I swear to God, he just opened the valve right now. American muscle.
What's up, boys?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
It's another day in paradise. That's crazy, bro. Got the plate too. That's so funny, man. It's an older dude with a little 240. This thing fast? Yes, sir. You guys see what's going down. If you know, you know. Nothing too crazy. Got a little Maggie on there. A little Trojan, man. So yeah, we got a Maggie on here. Car makes about 900 wheel, 900 torque. You guys missed the bald eagles? Look at all that belt rippage right there. What the fuck? You just turned that shit into like a fucking puny ass cam. That shit sounds like lifters are fucked up now. I'm dead. That's funny, bro. Ah, it smells nice in here. Oh shit. Sheesh, my boy, making 650. Hey, damn.
Yeah, it goes up and down.
That's so sick, bro. I've always loved that about the fucking beds. Yeah. That shit is some James Bond shit, bro.
Yeah.
You can literally hide a grenade in there.
Yeah.
That's fast. Shit hooks up good, too.
Yeah.
Didn't even warm them up.
Nah, I just dipped.
They're SS's?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But they're 345s.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the vents. Fucking white as shit. So it has what kind of trans?
It's a built trans from Dually Trans in Texas. Yeah, max effort T7 trans, 8-speed.
All the gaps.
Yeah, hold anything you throw at it.
No slipping. Oh shit, got Yaz over there. super Yaz.
Oh yeah. You want me to hit it right here?
Yeah, wherever. Very nice. It's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
You can hear the brakes like,
yeah. The drag brakes are not it, man.
Alright guys, yeah. So he did do a front brake delete. Got these in here, what is it? TBM? That is a little rotor for this thing. Boy's trying to get all the weight reduction. So don't stop like OEM, but it stops. Got the OEM one at the back. We're about to do another setup soon. But yeah, man, this shit hooks, bro. Like hella good. 345 on that joint. No camber. Damn near was about to pop a wheelie, bruh. That shit's crazy. Alright, guys. It's gonna be a wrap. I know it was short, but we couldn't do too much. Shit sounds nasty, though. Gotta love an LS cam. Sick ass fool. Wait for it, wait for it. There's a little sick ass fool right here too. Yeah guys, hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you go follow my boy Yaz. I'll throw his Instagram down here. Super chill dude. He's been the homie for quite a while now. Oh shit, my boy looks like Fresh Kicks. Hey yo Kicks, what you doing out here, boy? We're the 340. But yeah, on that note guys, I might end the video here unless I go eat something right now, which I might. Maybe I'll tune y'all into my food. If you guys want to see some more like little car reviews of the homies whips, let me know. I got a ton of homies with some crazy cars. So I kind of want to start knocking these videos out. Like I said, it's just pretty hard for me to link up with them at the right time. So I'll do what I can. About to go eat some grub. Where's your Tomei, sir? How's the Tomei now?
Broke again.
Spent too much money on your Tomei. Oh yeah, 2014 light. Hey. Flaking it down. Eggs on that beat, huh? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Bring that over here, sir. I think it used to be so Saul said he's taking the Tomei off. He said the Tomei is too loud, so if anybody wants a Tomei for GTR, hit up Saul. He's about to take it off today. Yeah, man, got the 340 looking spicy over here. She always busting at night. Alright guys, we are now home. Shout out to Saul for the food. Shit was bomb. Appreciate it, sir. I owe you one now. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.